Here are the main takeaways of the fantastic book E-Myth Revisited by Michael Gerber. Number 1 is to work on your business and not in your business. This means spend time in growing your business and not running your business. Hire people to run your business. Number 2 is to learn from the major successful businesses for developing a successful process. Take the example of McDonald's. They have same menu, same consistency across the world. They have defined step-by-step process for everything in their business. Number 3, create system so that the business can run without you. Develop people and process so that they do not need your presence to run on its own. Number 4, meticulously design the customer experience and keep revisiting it. Amazon has built its empire on focusing on customer experience and always kept it ahead of everything else. Number 5, provide exceptional experience to your customer and keep it consistent. The author was treated exceptionally well in one of the motels he happened to get into. This experience made him a fan of the hotel and he kept coming again and again. Number 6, make your business system dependent and not people dependent. If people leave, the business should continue to operate. Have a standard operating procedure written for every aspect of your business. Number 7, your business is a serious matter, so put it above all while having fun. I hope you had fun knowing these major takeaways. Read the book for a more enjoyable experience.